Shag Rug tutorial here. No sewing, no gluing, and no tying anything in knots, and no even hooking. Okay, so I've got this, looks like a 1/4 inch mesh plastic. I got that from a tile company. They use it to put between tile pallets. And I've cut the piece about 2 by 4. And then I've spent a week just cutting little strips of fabric. I wanted to do it mostly out of jeans to go with the theme in my bedroom. And I highly suggest you get a rotary cutter for this job. You can do it with the scissors, but it takes way longer. With a rotary cutter, there we go. It's super easy to cut. You just put your fabric on top of a cutting mat and roll the rotary cutter. Comes out really clean when your blade is sharp. For this rug, I cut the strips about 3 inches long and 1/2 inch wide. At least that was for the jeans material. For the denim, I had to cut the strips a little wider so they would fit snugly into the mesh. Since you're not tying these pieces, it does have to be extra snug. To complete this rug, I used about 1 pair of jeans, 1 denim shirt, and a lightweight sweatshirt. I wanted that nice combination of the indigo blue from the jeans, the light blue from the denim, and white. Here's a close-up for you. You get the hang of it after a while. At first you have to really struggle to poke those pieces through, but it gets easier the more you do it. I sure wish it was that fast all the time. It took me forever to complete this 4 foot by 2 foot rug. In my spare time, of course. It took about a month. Still, it was a lot faster than having to tie each piece. The rug turned out so cool. The back side is just as cool as the front. You could actually use it upside down if you wanted to. It was taking so long that I decided to cut my project short. When I was about 4 inches from the end, I just tied it up the end there and cut off the rest of the mesh. But it's so soft and the colors match my room theme perfectly.